Hey, so when we think about trauma and removing it from our body, our tissues, and our minds, we can do some specific activities. As Peter Levine says, if you don't have tools, then the trauma rules. So what we want to do here is to work with the issues that are stuck in our tissues. And we didn't ask for the trauma, things happened through abuse or neglect, whatever, and now we're here. So we're going to work with it so that we can take back our power. And so what we'll do today is I'd like to invite you to stand. If that's not comfortable, absolutely sit, or you can even lie down. But standing is where I'm going to be working today. And we'll start with our hands. So you'll take your hand with the other hand and just gently squeeze it, gently touch it, and say, "This is my hand." So we're taking back our body, and then do the opposite with the other hand. This is my hand. Exactly that same action, and feel yourself holding your body and saying, "This is mine, this is my arm, this is my wrist, this is my forearm, this is my elbow, these are mine, this is my arms, my upper arm, my bicep, my shoulders. These are my arms. These are my forearms. I'm taking this back. This is my elbow. This is my upper arm, my bicep, my shoulders, my neck. This is my neck." And if you get to a place that you're like, that's the spot, stay there. Keep your hands there. Hold it there and give yourself that empowerment to take back your own body. This is my neck. This is my shoulders. These are my collarbones. This is my face. This is my jaw. These are my lips. They're mine. This is my mouth. These are my cheeks. This is my ears. These are my earlobes. The whole thing, you guys. This is my forehead. Let it be yours, 100%, because it is yours. And we're reclaiming it. This is my forehead. This is my face. This is my nose, my eyes. Breathing deeply as you feel. This is my head. This is my hair. This is the back of my head. Let any emotions come up that want to come up. Breathe with it. Beginning to retrust, reclaim you right now in this moment. This is my chest. These are my breasts. This is my back. This is my lower back. Place your hands and pause anywhere that you need to pause. These are my hips. This is my stomach, my lower stomachs, my upper stomach. These are my organs. They're inside my body. They're mine. Stay with you. Stay with the breath. Relax anything that begins to tense, because sometimes it will. As we begin to reclaim other parts of our body, might get scared and they might try to hold. And what we're doing is we're saying, it's all okay. We're here now. We're present. We're safe now. Reclaim your pelvis. You're safe now. Reclaim your hips. You're safe now. Continue to ground in you so that you raise your vibration. You elevate yourself. So you reconnect to that life force energy that moves through you. You can even bend your knees, reclaiming your genitals, reclaiming your bottom. That's yours. Your butt is yours. You can touch it. It's okay. It's yours. Touch it. Reclaim it. This is your butt. Reclaim it. These are your legs. These are your thighs. They don't belong to anyone else. These are your thighs, your thigh muscles, your thigh bones. These are your knees. If it feels comfortable, you can bend down and touch your knees. If at this point you want to get to the floor and sit, it makes it easier, do that. Otherwise, work with me here. These are your knees. These are the back of your knees. They're yours. These are mine. These are my knees. These are my shins. These are my ankles. These are my feet. Touch your feet. Touch the top of your feet, the bottom of your feet. These are yours. These are my feet. Breathing deeply. Taking your hands now and drawing them up the back of your legs, all the way up, through the bottom, all the way up to the lower back, and then hug yourself here. So you're hugging yourself, you're giving yourself that comfort. These are your arms. You can do what is appropriate for you with your body. These are yours. You're reclaiming you. Take a big breath in. Exhale it all out. Relax through the jaw. Take your fingertips now. We're doing a little dantian. We'll do lower, middle, and upper. Fingertips about 1.5 inches below the belly button. From here, you're going to picture a column of light going through, right where 1.5 inches below your belly button, right into the center of your being. And you can picture that column of light moving through the perineum or the root chakra, all the way down through the floor, all the way down to the center core of the earth. So this is dantian, or the Hara line, H-A-R-A. Right, so it's mixing metals here. It's a little bit of Barbara Brennan's work, a little bit of Donna Eden, a little bit of Tai Chi. So you're dropping that like diamond white light, pillar of light right through the center of you into the core of the earth. And then you can draw that energy up through your legs. You can move your hips. They're yours. Move them as you like. Reclaim your power. Recenter in you. With that beautiful energy coming up from the earth, that grounded energy, you can lift it up now to the center of your heart center. So this is a way reconnecting the dots, higher vibration, middle dantian. So you can even picture it going from the earth all the way up and then up to the upper dantian, right at the center of the forehead, kind of a little bit above the third eye, and then finally arms overhead. May your wisdom be blessed. You can even feel energy moving through your hands here. Bring your hands now towards your heart center. May your love be blessed. Stay with you. May your actions be blessed, bringing your hands down towards your pelvis. You can even do little figure eights if that feels right for you. Keeping the breath active and moving. Eyes open if possible. Reclaiming your sight, reclaiming your eyes. You can see, you can hear. So important. We're reestablishing trust in our own bodies, and we're doing it through ourselves, our own healing power. Good, and you can practice this again and again. And I say namaste to you. Thank you so much for being here, and I wish you well. If you have comments, please put them in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Hey, thank you so much for being here. If you liked today's video, please subscribe to Dawn Davis Yoga and hit the little alarm button so it'll send you an email next time I make a video.